started rolling it out just with a couple of our key operators. We've got some guys here that have been here for quite a while and they're quite tech savvy, and we're like, we'll give it a shot with them, see how they go. And from there, it was honestly only 1 week we did that for, and we went, you know what, this is phenomenal, and just dove straight onto it. Got all of our guys signed up, just very easy to sign up. Just sent out a request to all the boys. They jumped on, downloaded the app, and then all they do is they then just added straight onto our account. They have full access to all of our assets and everything, and that was very quick and streamlined process. It also mitigates tick and flicking, which is an unbelievable problem. You know, you give them a sheet of paper for a pre-start and they just tick and flick it. They don't actually read it, they're not looking at it. So where with the app, they get on the app and they're going to write down what faults they've found. They can put a bit more detail on it as well, and even take photos and upload a photo onto it.